Ty, be careful. Look at him. He's having a crepe. His favorite crepe Nutella. And I'm having churros. I haven't had churros in forever. Look at this. It's yummy, Ty? Yes. And he's having slushy. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. We are in town with the cousins. It's they have 2 days before they leave. It's kind of the last outing before they start packing their stuff and things like that. So we are out. We're going up by the lookout to let the kids just let loose in the park for a bit and enjoy the few last days. They're actually going to the McDonald's across the street to get something to eat because the kids are hungry as soon as we leave home. Tyler just wanted prep and his juice and a bite churros, so we're having that, and then we're gonna walk and go up to the lookout. We won't stay too long though because it's in the evening, it's in the afternoon, and evening is going to come any minute because time just flies by so fast. So we're just here enjoy the day. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the rest of today's vlog and have a good day, whatever it is that you guys are doing today. Baby's at work. You guys will see baby later when he gets home. Baby girl is here sleeping. She has been sleeping ever since before I left home. She's been sleeping and she's still sleeping. Let me show you guys her. There she is, my big girl. She's wearing shorts today, y'all. Shorts on top today, so I'll show you guys her outfit as soon as we get to the hill. But there she is sleeping away. Anyway, you guys, I am going to stay here and wait on Marian and the kids to get back. Yes, I? No, that's too sweet for you. You're not gonna like it. Watch Tyler and his crepe. It's you. It's yummy. You're having the best summer ever, right?
And I love my one forever.
You're killing that crepe, Ty. Churros is mine, of course. Ty, let me see your face. Ah, yummy. So we're walking along the promenade right now to go. Let me show you guys where we're going. We're going on top of this mountain behind this tree. Right up here we're going, if you guys can see. So we're on the promenade. Go. And Princess is still sleeping away. And we're gonna take an elevator. Kai, stop, let the thing stuck in your teeth. Let's go. Come on. You're walking too slow. Faster. Tyler, pay attention where you're going, please. The sun is boiling hot. Tyler drinking a cool drink while he walks because this sun ain't no joke here. Marian and the kids in front of me. Tyler, in front of me, please. Yes, yes, show them your outfit of the day. Say, I am wearing shorts today. Look, I am in shorts and I am in top with ruffles and I'm wearing my pretty headband. And my name is Sarah. Your name is Sarah? And this is Mama. Say Mama. Make sure you don't look up of her Mama. Yes, say mama, mama, mama. Say mama. No? Say papa. And say papa. Oh, you just wanna get up? Oh, alright. Alright. Come, Ty. You're gonna take picture. Yes, she took the sign already.
Put on the glasses because me I can squint otherwise.
Ty, come this way.
Make sure you get that.
Wait. Ty, put that back. Go and put it back, please. And go and stand beside your sister.
Right now, I need you guys.
Come on, get up and go stand beside mommy.
So slow, chief.
Go stand beside your mommy. Rowena, put on the cup and the straw. Tyler, come here so you soon go in the picture.
Richie, come here. Okay. Ian.
Rowena. No, go and take it up.
Come here, Ian.
Put it underneath that. Turn around, Rowena. Rowena, go closer to the Mario.
Come right up.
Closer.
Tomorrow, close the foot. Let you come up.
Somebody there beside Mariana. Me a try black hole.
Look, Richard. Look.
Richie.
Look and Mel. Don't worry about it.
Don't move. Tyler, go and stand beside Marianne. Work, roll, work. Yes. Pause. Kill him. Yes. Kill him. Yes, honey. Ready. Go, Ty. Go. Kill him, Ty. Kill him with pause. Kill him. Kill them. Give them a 2-finger, Ty. Give them 2 Work. Walk now, Ro. Walk. Walk come to me. Walk come to me, Ro. Kill them. Yes. 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 Oh my God. Yo. Mr. Fiena. She a star, I swear. And she not shy now? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, guess what? If we don't go, we're gonna miss the last bus to get home. So let's go. My baby have to be wearing mittens because she's been wanting to suck her fingers. And Mama don't want to suck finger jack. So she's been wearing mittens lately. She loves sucking her thumb. Look at her, look at her. Trying to find it to put in her mouth.
Okay. What's up, Richie? Sit there, Tyler. You sit there. Okay. Okay. We lay down. Okay. Okay. Rubina, Kiki. Where she lay down? Lay down. Kiki, lay down.
it's the last night before they leave tomorrow, so they're letting loose right now. They're making extra noise tonight that they don't normally is allowed to make, so let them enjoy the last few minutes. I don't even know you guys can hear me.
Welcome to Kiki. He's fine again. Come on. Welcome to Kiki. Come. I want my best.
So Kian, is the guitar you were crying for? You're crying for the guitar? Look at Richie. Okay, go back inside. Back inside. You know long me there sa film then? Last night, man, last night. Tomorrow night, this time tell her wish. Literally, I swear.
Let me do the song now. Okay.
You want to see what they're gonna do? Can't say you have a good one, though. The amount of traveling with your cousin them in do. I literally have one of the best summer. You hear Kian did a ball earlier and guitar and did one, so you get mixed with the corner and the song. Let me, Richie said let me song.
Richie, it's still Kiki's turn. Okay? Sing police car.
Faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Today is the day. The day has finally come, and my cousins are leaving today. It's kind of bittersweet, but hey, I think it's time we both go back to our comfort zone. I'm gonna miss Marion so much. I'm gonna miss all the cooking and all the laughter. We would be giggling all day about silly things and just, you know, girly stuff. Tyler is definitely gonna miss the kids for sure, but anyway, the time has come. The kids have to go back to school, so they have to go home to prepare for that and all that good stuff. But it was good while it lasts, to say the least. And as you guys can hear them, the cab is on its way to come pick them up to take them to the airport, because baby's at work. You won't be able to drop them at the airport, and it's a lot of them and a lot of luggage, so we couldn't carry them anyways. But yeah, we're gonna say our goodbyes and they'll be off on their way home. Back to London they go. Alexa, pause. Goodbye hugs.
Yes.
Goodbye hugs to Kiki time.
Everybody group hug.
Yay!
I'm gonna miss this face.
Rowena, you're missing out on the group hugs.
Group hug. Okay. Come Richard.
Watch out, me forget about Richard.
No, I put my arm out.
Group hug!
Mommy!
Group hug! Group hug! You're getting squished.
Looks nice to meet Francis.
Take off your jacket.
Bye, everyone.
Can't say bye-bye.
Watching me. Thank you for having us, even though we're a beautiful pest. We're a beautiful pest.